Hey guys, welcome back to Quad Nation, and as you can see, we have something super cool and new for you guys. It is a 2003 Grizzly 660 limited edition. What we're going to do is we're going to line up the Grizzly 660 versus the Banshee. Nemesis, I believe I've named this quad Nemesis. Let's put them to the test, guys. And before we do this drag race, I'm going to do a first impression ride of this Yamaha Grizzly. 50! Oh man! This thing is crazy! What was that? What was that? Did I blow it up? The Lewin torque is... Did I blow it up? Holy hell! Holy! Man, Quad Nation just needs to stay off other people's stuff! First I blow his dirt bike up, now I blow this one up. He's giving me a thumbs up that's normal. Here I thought I blew it up. Dude, it really scared me just then because I heard, baya!
Back hard, yeah. Crank it back up.
Okay.
Nice and brake.
It's in neutral.
Hold on. Stop.
Yep. Whoa. Bro. Oh no. At least you got a good battery, I'll give you that. Oh no, Quad Nation did it this time. He done blew it up. Alright, just kidding. We're not going to race the Grizzly versus the Banshee quite yet because I just blew it up. Who would have thought that you can blow up an automatic? Let's get into it. CR125 2004 versus 2002 Yamaha 350 Twin Banshee. Two strokes, two legends, two awesome riders. So let's do this. Which one are y'all putting your money on? Go ahead and hit the comments up now before the race. All right, on you! I missed fifth. Not sure if y'all seen that, but I missed fifth. I was too excited looking back at Kai. All right, round two, boys. Round two. On you! Oh, he's right there this time! Oh, I'm power shifting! No! Oh, that was so close! He gave up too soon. I'm gonna have to tell that boy, rev it till she blows. Kind of curious as to what top end does for both of them in the dirt. I know the Banshee has a higher top end because it does 75, 76. Dirt bike does 68, but I'd like to see how long the dirt bike can hold its own in the dirt. Hey! Hold it pegged until further. Just hold it pegged until it blows up. Look at that old warrior right there. That thing's nice for sure. All right. Round three, then we switch it up. On you! Oh, he got me! Full sand coordination! dropping it all! Oh! Oh, I think he was topped out there because I was almost repped out in 6. Oh, man! God, this is... Banshee is sick! Here we go, switching it up. Quad Nation's getting back on 2. Hit it! Let's scoot over a little bit. On you! I didn't think that whole shot was going to be as smooth of a delivery as it was. Wow! Oh, get it, Kai! On you! Oh, man! On you! She balled that time! Alright guys, here we go. Banshee versus CR125.